Samuel Taylor Coleridge. To nature. It may indeed be fantasy when I, a sight draw from all created things, deep, heartfelt, inward joy that closely clings, and trace in leaves and flowers that round me lie, lessons of love and earnest piety. So let it be, and if the wide world rings in mock of this belief, it brings nor fear, nor grief, nor vain perplexity. So will I build my altar in the fields, and the blue sky my fretted dome shall be, and the sweet fragrance that the wild flower yields shall be the incense I will yield to thee. Thee only, God, and thou shalt not despise even me, the priest of this poor sacrifice.